Bicep curl and tricep extension machine. I'll show you how to set it up for a bicep curl. First adjustment you'll want to make is the height of your seat. You'll just press this right handle and you can move the seat up or down to whichever position you need it to be at. To find your correct seat height, you want it to be when you are sitting here. Your arms should just be snug on the cushion, not up here. The next setting is you'll want to move this down to where it says bicep curl down here. Just pull out the red handle and bring it all the way down. Next, you'll grab the handles just on the winged part and then just curling up towards you. And that's your bicep curl. This is your bicep curl and tricep extension machine, and I'll show you how to set it up for your tricep extension. First adjustment you'll want to make is your seat height. To do that, you'll just press down this red handle here, and you can move the seat up or down to whichever seat height you need it to be at. To find your correct seat height, you'll want it to be when you're sitting on this pad. Your arms should be snug on the cushion here. Next adjustment you'll want to make, you'll want to bring this handle up where it's next to the sticker that says tricep extension. So you'll just pull the handle out and bring it all the way in. Sitting down, you'll now grab the straight part of the handle down here at the bottom and just extending it all the way straight here. And that's your tricep extension.